Let's be honest, most of our office work isn't actual critical thinking. It's the boring, repetitive grind, sifting through endless email threads, typing out repetitive meeting notes, building slide decks from scratch, and wrestling with Excel formulas that refuse to work. But things have changed. In this video, we aren't looking at generic tech gimmicks. We are breaking down the 4 absolute best AI tools that will fundamentally change how you tackle your workday. These 4 tools alone can handle up to 90% of your administrative burden. Let's get straight into it. Tool 1. Claude ChatGPT, the brain. First up is your core engine, either Claude or ChatGPT. If you're only using these to ask basic questions, you are barely scratching the surface. In a modern office, this is your ultimate administrative partner. The real magic happens when you treat them as an employee, not a search engine. Let's say your boss drops a massive, messy 50-page industry report on your desk at 4:30 p.m. and wants a breakdown by tomorrow morning. Instead of panicking, you can upload the document and tell the AI, analyze this report, pull out the top 3 competitor threads, and format them into a polished bulleted summary I can email to the executive team. Boom! Done in 5 seconds. You can use them to draft comprehensive project proposals, review legal contracts for red flags, or pull data out of messy text. They don't just write, they think through context. Tool 2. Otter.ai, Fireflies.ai, the automatic note taker. Think about how much time you waste sitting in meetings, desperately trying to take notes, only to forget who agreed to do what by next Tuesday. Tool number 2 solves this forever. Link to Otter.ai or link to Fireflies.ai. These are autonomous AI meeting assistants. You simply connect them to your calendar, and they automatically join your Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet calls as a silent participant. As people talk, the AI transcribes every single word in real time, accurately separating different speakers. But here is the game changer. The moment the meeting ends, it uses advanced language models to email you a flawless summary. It highlights the key decisions made, lists explicit action items, and assigns deadlines to specific teammates. You can literally stop taking notes entirely and focus on the actual conversation, or better yet, skip the non-essential meetings entirely and just read the 30-second summary afterward. Tool 3. Plus AI Gamma app, the presentation engine. Number 3 addresses the universal corporate nightmare, building slide decks. Whether it's a pitch to a client or a weekly update for management, we waste hours dragging text boxes, adjusting font sizes and staring at blank templates. Plus AI and Gamma app completely automate this design process. Plus AI works directly as an add-on inside Google Slides and PowerPoint, which means you don't even have to learn a new software interface. You simply feed it your raw, messy project notes or a basic text outline, select a corporate theme and hit generate. Within seconds, the AI builds a fully structured professional presentation deck. It writes the headers, organizes data into logical layouts, and designs the visual flow. From there, you just do a quick human review, tweak the text to your liking, and your presentation is completely ready for the boardroom. Tool 4. Motion, the intelligent AI scheduler. Finally, tool number 4 is what keeps your actual day from falling apart. Motion. Most of us manage our day using a static calendar for meetings and a separate, overwhelming to-do list. Motion merges them using AI. You simply input your tasks, how long they will take, and their hard deadlines. Motion's AI algorithm then builds a custom automated daily schedule for you, automatically time-blocking your tasks around your fixed meetings. If a crisis happens and a meeting runs late, you don't have to manually reorganize your day. Motion instantly recalculates and automatically reshuffles your remaining tasks to ensure you still hit your deadlines without burning out. It takes the guesswork out of what you should be working on next. Drop a comment, letting me know which one you're trying first, hit that like button, and subscribe for more productivity strategies.